In this video, you will learn how to set up Cash App business account. Follow these simple steps. If you don't have Cash App downloaded, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app. In your Cash App, sign in using your credentials or create a new account using your full name, personal information, date of birth and social security number for identification. Then, after setting up your personal account, you can convert it to a business account. Open the Cash App and tap your profile icon. Then, scroll down and select Cash App for Business or Start a Business. Cash App will guide you through the setup process. This involves answering questions about your business type, providing details about your business, including business name, business address, business phone number, tax information, and more. You'll need to link a bank account to send or receive payments to or from your business account. Go to the Banking tab in Cash App and add your banking details. Then, follow the instructions to connect your account. Create a new cash tag that is unique to your business or identifier that your customers can use to send you payments for your business. You can also set up a QR code for easy transactions that customers can scan. Cash App offers many tools such as recurring payments, cash boosts and invoices to help your business grow. You can also integrate it with Square for advanced business tools like point of sale system. To access all the features, including higher transaction limits, you will need to verify your identity. This is with an uploaded picture of your government ID or your SNS number with a possible selfie for addition. Once your business account is set up, you can start receiving payments from customers through Cash App. You will be charged a 2.75 fee per transaction. You can easily manage and track your business analytics and transactions and manage your settings through the app or business dashboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.